Ouch, ow, ow. Look at these cute birdies I got. Okay, now go fly. You ready for this?
You want him to fly?
Yep. So you can be more tired. Be free. You okay, yellow bird?
Uh-oh, what's wrong?
He's stuck. Oh, look at you.
Hi, Yellow. Hi, chickadee. Hi.
Okay, I got you. Slowly but surely. And that's how you catch cute birdies. And then you can put them back in the cage. Okay, let's get him out. Okay, come back, little birdie. There you go. See how cute he is?
Very cute.
All right.